Hello, this is Chris from Politics, and on this video we are going to learn how to configure the blog elements on our site. This video will work as a continuation of the add any blog element to any section using the BetterDocs plugin, essential add-ons for Elementor plugin, and the Elementor page builder. First, we need to go over to the top on the name of the site. Thanks to BetterDocs, we have a new page to visit, the documentation page, which is the doc page of BetterDocs plugin. And here, when we are on the page, and on the top bar, we are going to click on Customize. Here we are now. On the left bar, there's a tab that says BetterDocs. We click on that, and we have several options to choose: doc page, single doc, sidebar, archive page, and live search. So we are going to click on doc page, and we can select two different layouts, and these ones are for the pro version of the plugin. So we are going to leave it on the default choice for the layout. You can select whichever you want, and we can select the content area background, which are these ones right here. Add a background image, as you can see, and we can select the background property, the size, if there is a repeat, the attachment, and the position. We can add padding on the content area if we want. There is 50 on the top by default and 50 on the bottom by default. We can select the width for the content area, and the maximum width allowed in this case by default is 1600 px. So we are going to leave that on 100 because, as you can see, it doesn't look that good. And the category settings, the space between columns, we have only one is the case because we have only made a single category, category 1 in this case. And if you have any more, you can change it right here. We can the background for the column, the padding for the column, and category icon size. As you can see, you can change it right here. I'm going to leave it on default, and we can add a border radius for the columns. As you can see, it goes more rounded as you add px. And the category titles font size, like this. You're going to by default because you can change it to whatever you want. And we have the color for the title, the border, the item count, and the item count font size. As you can see, we can change it in the same manner. We can add a background to the item count size, and the item contour size, weight, height, and width can be changed right here. And for the article list, we have the font size, the color for the background, the list, and the hover of the section, the color of the icon, and the icon font size. As you can see, we can make the icon Latin. We have margin, and if we have any subcategory, choose for this category, we can change the color, the hover, and the size of the font and icons right here. And from the explore more button, we can change the background, the text, the border, the hover text and hover color, and the size of the font for the button, and padding for the button. It will change size, as you can see, and the radius, it will make it more round. So we are going to move back to the top. We are going back, and we have a single doc, which is one of our articles, like this one, and we can change the layout to we have two choices here and one for the pro version. No, I mean one and the two others are for the pro version. And we have the title for the post size, padding, post content padding, size of the font. It works mostly in the same manner as the doc page. We have colors, parameter, active item, the table of content, the set index, the sticky top grid, top margin, background color, content area padding, the color of the title, font size, and the like. Mostly of the options are quite like in the doc page, and we have the possibility to enable the buttons for the social sharing and to add any push footer. Here we can change all the options mostly in the same manner. So we are going back and we have options for the sidebar too. Here we can change the icon in the same manner and add background, padding, font of the title, as you can see, and item counter here, font title, item counter, and the background and this item font size mostly works the same. And for the live search, it will change the bar. We can add background, padding, the search field setting too. We can change the size, add some border, and the search icon size we can change it. As you can see, we can make it larger and add color for the hover and the line. And on the search result setting, we can change it on the same manner. And we have the archive page. The archive page is when I click on a category, it will take me to the archive page, and here we have a list of all the categories. If we have any more, they will be displayed right here, and the articles we have under that category, and we can change the background properties, the content area background, content area margin padding, border, title font size, as you can see, the description font size of the icon, a hover, and the like. It works mostly in the same manner. It's super intuitive and super easy to use. So if you want to change, give it some better looks to your blog elements on the site, this will change all of them which you have added to your site. Once we have made all the changes we want, you need to go to the top and click on the publish button. So that's it. We have customized the blog elements of our site using the BetterDocs plugin, the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin, and the Elementor page builder, and the Ocean WP theme in this case. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.